Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at what does this orange dot does on your Apple Watch 7 or older models. So you can see here at the moment I have an orange dot, and what it does is actually tells you that you have received notifications on your Apple Watch, and if you want you can swipe down at the top. Now another one has just arrived. You can see in my Facebook it also just sent me a notification, and just gonna turn it off. You can see at the top here there is an orange dot. If I swipe down, that will clear the orange dot. As you can see, if I swipe down to view the notifications, then I can basically clear that dot right there. I can also tap on the clear button at the top here, clear all. That will clear all my notifications, and once I have done that, then the orange dot will go away until the next time the watch receives another notifications. Then the orange dot will come back on. And so if you are wondering why is there an orange dot at the top of your Apple Watch, then now you know it is a notifications dot. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.